Hello everyone, today I show you how to cook chicken curry without advanced marination. I cook it with coconut and it's come out so good. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. If you want to read the full recipe, click on the word more. It will bring you to the description box. So I have aromatic ingredients here: shallot, garlic, ginger, green onion and onions. And I mince them and I sauté them. Remember that I have 2 stalks of lemongrass. I add that to the pot as well, and I drop in the chicken. This time I use chicken legs because these legs are very flavorful. So this is the fast recipe. So I use a store-bought curry sauce in a pouch like this, and I pour it in on except 1 tablespoon. I preserve for later. So I saute until everything is well sauté. That means the chicken soak up on the sauce and the aromatic ingredients. I added the 2 spicy chili. If you want them spicier, you can cut them small and put in, but I kept them whole. So I use 2 potato and 2 sweet potato I peeled and cut into chunks and added to the pot, and I added the water. Enough water to cover on the meat and the vegetables, and I let it cook for 30 minutes until tender. Then I add chopped onion, and now I reseasoned it with salt and fish sauce. Remember, I preserve 1 tablespoon of curry sauce. Now I put it on in, and I adjust, taste it, and still, if I think it still need adjusting, I will add more. I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I want the color better, and because turmeric is good for your body. Now the last thing I added is a half of a can coconut cream, and I let it cook for until it boils again, and that's done. And I drop in the curry leaves. I have a few sprigs here. You don't need to cook too long. These leaves are so fragrant, and it permeates the whole kitchen. So good. Now that's done. I present the curry on the plate with the rice. Normally I like to eat my curry with rice noodles, but I have rice on hand, so I eat with rice today. So I spoon on the juice on the broth over my sweet potato and chicken. Enough broth so that my rice will soak into it. If you like a little spicier, you can break your chili at this point. So you are invited to take a taste test with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please come back soon. Bye bye.